Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning an effective remedy in order to treat the person who has developed the indecent relationship, the bad relationship with someone. Because we got so many complaints from the people, like some husband has some bad sexual relations with some other one, and some wives they have developed the bad sexual relations with some other one, and some people they complain about their daughters and sisters also, they have developed bad relationship with someone. So this is an effective remedy in order to prevent or in order to eradicate, in order to finish the bad sexual relationship. So what you have to do, you have to read it 100 times every day. Start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and then blow on the things like eatable or drinkable, blow on water or eatable things, then give this food item to that person who has developed the bad relationship. So continue to give to that person until 21 days. So if you feel is somewhat better and need more, then complete 40 days. So up to 40 days, inshallah, if you continue, so the person will be free from sexual relationships which the person has developed with someone, which are on the basis of bad or indecent. So inshallah, Allah will bring the fear in that person. This fear of Allah bring that person towards the status of good Muslim, inshallah. So I read this ayat. This is ayat of Holy Quran from Surah Maida, ayat number 100. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب ولو أعجبك كثرة الخبيث فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تفلحون قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب ولو أعجبك كثرة الخبيث فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تفلحون قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب ولو أعجبك كثرة الخبيث فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تفلحون. Translation: Kul la yastavi. Kul, say the people. La yastavi, not equal. Khabis, impure. Wat-tayyib, and the pure. Pure and impure are not equal. Or evil and good is not equal. Walau ajabaka, even if you are impressed by kasratul khabis, the abundance of the evil, abundance of the impurities. So walau ajabaka kasratul khabith, even if you are impressed by the abundance of evil or so much evil or bad things. Fattakullah, so you must have fear of Allah. Ya ulil albab, O wise people, O people with good mind. La'allakum tuflihun, so that you may be successful. Qul la yastawil khabithu wat-tayyibu walau ajabaka kasratul khabith. Fattakullaha ya ulil albabi la'allakum tuflihun. Say the people, not equal the evil and the good. Even if you are impressed by the abundance of the evil. So fear Allah, O wise people, so that you may be successful. So inshallah you try this special treatment to that person who has developed the bad sexual relationships, inshallah, with the mercies of Allah, with the blessings of Allah. So the person will return to the purity and all impurities will go off, and he will do tawbah astaghfar and will start a pure life again as a good Muslim, inshallah. Allah save us from all type of impurities, evils, bad things, bad actions, and Allah promote in us the good things in order to make the person of taqwa, so that we should become the favorite person before Allah. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.